If you spend all day on your feet, coming home to achy arches is miserable. I wanted to see if these foot spas are actually relaxing or just buckets of loud, lukewarm water. So I bought 5 of the most popular foot bath massagers on the market, from simple bubble machines to high-tech motorized rollers, to find out which one actually melts the stress away. Product number 1, Homedics Bubble Mate Foot Spa. I started with the Homedics Bubble Mate, and honestly, it's about as simple as it gets. It's lightweight plastic, and when I filled it up, I noticed the splash guard actually works well to keep the water inside when I move it. The massage here comes from these raised nodes on the bottom that you rub your feet against manually, combined with bubbles. It's soothing, but don't expect deep pressure. The standout feature for me was the removable pumice stone right in the center. It's super convenient for smoothing out rough heels while you soak. The toe touch button is great because I didn't have to bend down with wet hands to turn it off. If you just want a basic, budget-friendly soak without any complicated tech or heavy lifting, this is a solid, no-frills choice. Product number 2, Collapsible Foot Spa Bath with Heat Black. Next, I tried this collapsible model. When I took it out of the box, I loved that I could just push it down flat. It becomes only 4 inches thick, sliding right under my bed. I was worried it might be flimsy, but the support bars on the sides kept it rock solid when filled with water. The heating element is the real winner here. I set it to 105 degrees, and it stayed exactly there, which is way better than constantly adding hot water from a kettle. The rollers on the bottom aren't motorized, so you have to move your feet back and forth to get the massage, but the bubbles add a nice, gentle pressure. If you live in a small apartment and need something that disappears when you aren't using it, this collapsible design is perfect for saving space. Product number 3, HOSPAN Collapsible Foot Spa. I decided to test another collapsible option from HOSPAN to see if there was a difference. Physically, it feels very similar to the last one, but the handle on the front feels a bit more reinforced, making it safer to carry when it's full of heavy water. I really appreciated the drain outlet on this one. Instead of tipping the whole heavy tub over into the bathtub, I just uncorked it, which saved my back. The 8 groups of shiatsu rollers are still manual, but they are positioned well to hit your arches. The red light feature is supposed to help with relaxation, though I mostly just enjoyed the consistent heat and bubbles. If you struggle with lifting heavy things and want that easy drainage feature, this is the safer bet for your back. Product number 4, Medical King Foot Spa with Remote. Then I moved on to the Medical King Spa. This one comes with a remote control, which is a massive quality of life upgrade. I could adjust the heat and vibration without leaning forward at all. The vibration function is surprisingly strong. You can actually feel it loosening up your muscles. It has 14 removable rollers, which felt great, but I noticed they can be a bit sharp if your feet are super sensitive. Luckily, you can just pop them out if they bother you. It also collapses down, so you don't lose that space-saving benefit. If you want maximum customization, like being able to remove the rollers or control everything from a remote, this gives you the most options to tweak your experience. Product number 5, Collapsible Foot Spa with Surf Wave Massage. Finally, I tested this high-end unit with Surf Wave Massage. This is the only one in the group with motorized rollers. I didn't have to move my feet at all. The 24 massage balls spin automatically, giving a genuine shiatsu massage that hits deep. The surf mode pushes water around your feet, which feels incredible combined with the heat. It's basically a mini jacuzzi. It also folds down flat, which is impressive given all the motors inside. The remote lets you toggle between different massage modes, so you can choose between a constant roll or an intermittent one. If you want a true hands-off massage where the machine does all the work while you just sit back and relax, this is hands down the best premium pick. Honestly, that motorized massage is a game changer if you have the budget, but the basic collapsible ones are fantastic for saving space. I've dropped links to all 5 spas in the description below so you can check the current prices and grab the one that fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and treat those feet.